Hello students and welcome to week 3. In this bundle introduction, I am going to provide you with an overview and contextualization of the task for this week. I'm also going to talk about adaptive learning and video instruction for this week and the task wrappers. My points that I wish to make with respect to these topics might be covered in 2 different videos. I'll probably focus only on the overview and contextualization for this week's class in Bundle 3 in this video. Then you should see a second link just below or beside the link that you used to get to this video to learn more about adaptive learning, the video instruction for this week, and now the mandatory task wrappers. So let's begin. Now that we've gotten to our operational and foundational tasks, that is, now that we've got those out of the way, it is now time to learn more about the discipline of philosophy itself. You're going to create some great analogies from the author to help you understand the discipline. Like, how is philosophy like peanut butter and jelly? How is philosopher like aerobics? You will also get an introduction to all of the discipline's main branches and some core questions. You will learn more about Socrates. Many of you have heard the name. It's actually a real name that some people use, especially in Greece. But many of you might have heard about this historical figure or his name in the movie Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure. I believe the characters refer to him as Socrates. The last section of the assigned reading for Bundle 3 includes attention to Plato's allegory of the cave. Plato was a student of Socrates. I think you will find some interesting connections between that part of the reading and all the disagreement we see about the virus, the disagreements that occur when people state their beliefs in the form of claims, which are themselves based on perceptions which are themselves colored and influenced by our lived experience being a collection, a combination, an ever-changing experience of various factors that influence perception, whether it be our upbringing, culture, religion, government, media, social media, political affiliations, whether it be physiological limitations, the limitations of our own perceptual apparatus, our sensory organs, or whether it be our psychology and psychological distortions that might influence perceptions and hence our beliefs and hence our claims about reality, including our beliefs about the coronavirus, right? Is it real? Is it not real? How does it spread? Is it that big of a deal? Is it really a greater threat than the flu and whatnot? Of course, there are also mental factors that go into the perceptual process that lead to the formation of a belief and hence the claims that we make about reality, including the coronavirus. So be thinking about these things as you're learning about Plato's allegory of the cave. That said, this week you also get an introduction to a topic that will help you make the most of philosophy. A self-talk module that focuses on the character traits of good thinkers, good learners, and communicators. You will find that mindfulness of the respective traits will help you not only in learning about philosophy while doing philosophy, but mindfulness, deeper knowledge of these traits will also help you in other classes and even beyond the college setting. In fact, you might find that I have found that study of the traits have helped me in my personal relationships, even my marriage. Not only that, the mindfulness of the traits aligns with soft skills in demand by employers, especially when it comes to interacting with colleagues, staff, supervisors, participating in meetings, and working on projects in teams. Week 3 is the initial introduction to the respective traits, the character traits of good thinkers, learners, and communicators. You will get more details about 4 kinds during week 4. So in the next video, we're going to cover 2 operational topics at once, adaptive learning and task wrappers.